Okay. Multiple response analysis are commonly used in the analysis of a questionnaire or survey data. Now, I will give you a case. In this case, we will use the multiple response analysis. Let's look at the example. Please open the data of simulation survey data of real estate purchase intention. Firstly, analyze the payment methods of the respondents. Secondly, analyze the payment methods selected by respondents in different income segments. Okay, so firstly, analyze the payment methods of the respondents. Open this SPSS data. The payment methods of respondents, which is the name is A9/1, A9/2, A9/3. Okay, just like our color 1, color 2, color 3. Here is the payment method the respondents selected. Okay, so that means the maximum respondent is 3. Okay, and here is the values, which is the items. Okay, we can see that totally they have 5 items can select, and the maximum selection is 3. Okay, so nobody select 5 items. The maximum items they selected is 3. Okay, so here okay. Next, the step 1. Step 1 is define the valuable sets. Okay, please, the operator method is analyze, multiple response, define valuable sets. And the categories, here we will use the categories. The categories is from category 1 to category 5. Yes, we checked it, right? We checked the categories. Look, we have checked it. Category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 categories. Okay, so firstly, define the valuable sets. Analyze multiple respondents here, and then define valuable sets. Okay, which variables will in this set? It includes the payment method 1, payment method 2, and the payment method 3. Totally we have 3 variables in set. Okay, and here variables are coded as, it's not the dichotomies. In this case, we use the categories, right? So categories, please select categories. And the categories is range from 1 to 5. Okay. Next, please name the set of the variables. The name can be, for example, S1. And you can label these variables in set. The variables in set, we can name it as a payment method. Okay, after you name it, then you add it. Okay, so here is a multiple response set has been defined. That's the step 1. Okay. Okay, I parse it. Okay. After we define the variable sets, then we will use the multiple response frequencies. Still, click Analyze, Multiple Response. Okay, and then here you can see frequencies, right? Okay. Click the frequencies. And then please input the multiple response sets to the table. Okay, and missing values exclude cases list-wise within categories. Please select this and then OK. Now, let's look at the output. Here is the case summary. Totally, we have 282 samples. There's no missing value. And here, we can say that totally we have 282 respondents and 846 times reply. Okay, the provident find loads 41.4% responses is the favorite choice by the respondents. And what's next? Next is the mortgage payment. The 28.1% of the respondents choose mortgage payment. Next is the installment, and then personal portfolio loan. Okay, the minimum is the one-time payment. Okay, so here is the frequencies and analysis. Now, we answered the first question. Sorry. Now, analyze the payment methods of the respondents. Now we completed. And then next, analyze the payment methods selected by respondents in different income segments. So here, another is the income segments. Now, we will use the cross tab to analyze it. Let's look at the cross tab. Analyze. Where is the income? Let's look at the income. Yeah, here we have the income level. So, if the value 1 means it's less than 3,000 renminbi, value 2 is the 3,000 to 5,000. 3 is 5,000 to 8,000. And 4 is more than 8,000. Here is the income level. Okay, let's look at the relationship between the income level and the payment method they chose. Okay, so we will use the cross tab. Now, analyze here the multiple response cross tabs. Okay. Also here, the multiple response sets is S1, and add a row. Row is the income level. Okay. Then here, for the income level, please define the ranges. For the income level, the minimum is 1, the maximum is 4. Okay, so here, please, this defined range is for the income level. Yes, we checked. Totally, we have 4 categories of the income level, right? The value 1 means it's less than 3,000. Value 2, category 2, is 3,000 to 5,000. 5,000 to 7,000 is the is the 3, and if it's more than 8,000, then the category is for the fourth category. Okay, so here when we define ranges for the level, the income level. Okay, and then multiple response sets, the column. Okay, so rows is the income level, the columns is the payment method. Then we click OK. Now, here is the result, as the output. Okay, so here we don't have the percentage, so I would do it again. Okay, here, yes, please select the options. Okay, and please add the cell percentage, row, column, and total. Missing values excluded case list-wise with categories. Also, you can select the percentage based on cases or based on responses. Okay, so it depends. Okay, what do you want to choose? It depends. Okay, you can choose the cases or you can choose the responses. Okay, so here we have the output. Okay, let's look at the output here. For the income level, 3,000 yuan or less, here most of the people select the provident fund loans. Okay, and then for the income level 3,000 to 5,000 yuan, yeah, also the most of the people, they select the provident fund loans. Second is the mortgage payment. Okay, and for the 5,000 to 8,000 yuan, yeah, it's also the most of the respondents select this one and then this one. Okay, for the 8,000 yuan or more, yeah, most of the people select the provident fund loans. Okay, so from here you can see that they are older, the income level is different. The payment method they select is similar. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's very similar. Okay, so here the percentage is based on the cases. Also, you can select the options. You can select the respondents. Okay, and if you don't need the total percentages, then you don't need to select it. So It depends. It depends. Okay, so here is the percentage of the respondents. So this is different. Okay. Okay, for example, here is 101.04 percentage, and here is 34.7 percentage. So because the divided by the number is different, so the result is different. Okay, which one you think is better for you? It depends on your requirement, on your research. Okay. Okay, so here is the cross tab. You can compare the payment selected by different income levels. Okay, it's easy. It's just like the cross tab we have learned. And also you can compare their difference.